Pat Bottom. And this is what we do in Port Antonio, okay? So we're at Maribel Place, no doubt about it. Come and see us. Let's do our business right here, okay? Come and have some fun. We're gonna meet the man that is responsible and in charge of the great things we have inside Maribel Place. And here we go. That's the man right here. And that's Mr. Jose. Is that Jose?
Jose, yeah, man.
Yes, yeah. Man.
Welcome, my people.
Yes.
It's a Maribel Tour and the Pier Place.
Yes.
My name is Jose, the second manager and the bartender.
There you go. Mr. Jose is the bartender and is the second in charge.
Yes,
he's
second
the
in charge.
right, he's the big man.
Second boss.
Second boss. And you say we're on the Errol Flint Marina and this is the place where you come. So Mr. Jose, I want to tell you to tell the people out in Jamaica now when they come into Jamaica what you have to offer.
Wow, the
Yes.
menu, we have the big menu.
You got a big
We
menu.
have different mix, 34 different drinks.
34 different drink.
34 different.
Tell me what, give me 3 of your main drink.
The main drink we have strawberry daiquiri,
Yes,
we have whiskey sour,
yes.
we have mojito. Or the,
Mojito, that's
the
the
foreign people love
original
the
Cuban drink, that's it, mojito. Yes, man.
Everything,
Okay.
everything.
So he's a man with all the bar tough skills, right? Have you noticed? On the bar, you got a lot of stuff over there. So yes, you do lunch and you do dinner, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Tell me what time you open for lunch?
We open every day 12 to 10. Every day.
Every day. Every day. 7 days a week.
7 days a week.
And there's another one? No, only 7 days.
Only 7 days. You want more? You have one more day?
There you go. The man have it. So
Yeah, we have chicken, pork,
beautiful.
chop,
Beautiful.
pizza, sandwich, burger. The best
Burger in town.
here in Port Antonio, for sure.
Real.
Yeah.
Off the grill. That's
Yes,
it.
yes.
Best burger in
The
Port
best-
Antonio.
Yes, for sure. Yes.
What make it be the best burger? Tell me. Because the chef,
chef.
oh, the chef is the one.
Yeah,
Oh,
tell me to do that.
okay. If you want to get the chef over here, you can get him over here. Let him tell us about something if you want to. But he said you have the best burger in town, and this is the place to be. Javi, you want to come and tell us what's going on with your burger, man?
Yeah. Come.
Come and tell us what's going on with your burger, man.
Your time now.
Well, you know what? This is the man behind the scene, all the goodness, all right? Javier, how long you been working at Maribel's, man?
I've been here for about 7 months.
7 months, and you turn out the best burger.
Yes, sir.
Tell me what make it be the best burger. Tell me what's going on.
Fresh ingredients.
Fresh ingredients.
Yes, sir. Fresh lettuce, fresh tomatoes,
Uh-huh.
fresh cucumbers, onions,
Yes.
deep, properly cooked burger meat,
Uh-huh.
toasted buns,
Oh.
mayo and ketchup,
All right.
properly
So
put together.
there's something special about this burger. Because what you tell me, everybody has the same thing, but something you're not telling me you made ingredients. But it's okay. It's not giving us the secret. But that's Javier. And what else you have on the menu like for lunch, Javier? Tell me.
You can get different chicken made different ways.
Uh-huh.
Pork chops, you can get pizzas, wings, fries, burgers, as I said before.
And what you have for the kids, naturally, for kids come around. Tell
You can
me.
get nuggets and fries. For the
So you have a kids menu too.
So there's also Alfredo's, shrimp and chicken Alfredo's.
So you've gone Italian there right there on me. Okay, chicken Alfredo.
Yes.
All right, there you have it from the man right there. That's a chef. And as we say, Pat Bottom Kitchen take you to every corner of Jamaica, and that's where you heard about Maribel Place. All right, thank you, Javier. Thank you, Jose, and I'll be taking this to the world. Let the people know that you're right here, you know, kicking up a storm in Port Antonio, okay?
Everybody
All right.
is welcome here.
Thank you. Everybody's welcome. You hear it. Thank you very much. I'll come and see you soon. I'll have a pizza later.
Okay.
Okay? Cheers, man. Thanks. Maribel Place, Port Antonio Marina, place to be. And when you come, you say Pat Bottom Kitchen send you, okay? And they will take good care of you over here. Pat Bottom.